Flowmaster, the industry leader in exhaust technology, introduces the new FlowFX direct fit muffler for the 09 and newer Ram 1500 equipped with a 5.7-liter Hemi engine. This FlowFX series system is designed to directly replace the original mufflers using the factory hangers and connections. This muffler is constructed of durable 409S stainless steel, features pre-welded hangers and an inlet pipe, and utilizes mandrel-bent tubing for maximum performance. FlowFX series system will typically produce a mild to moderate interior and exterior sound level with a deep performance tone without breaking the bank. Like all Flowmaster systems, the benefit includes improved throttle response, and they are all dyno tuned for maximum performance. If you're looking for an increase in power and a moderate exhaust note, then this system is for you. The exhaust system is backed up by our lifetime limited warranty, protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.